Hey y'all, welcome to JenJens Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making garlic Parmesan potatoes. This is part 2 of that 3-part series that we've already started. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!
We are going to start by chopping up our garlic. Once the garlic is chopped, you're going to throw it in the pan. Now you're going to cut up the potatoes and throw them in the pan as well. You're going to add your seasonings. And top it all with butter. Throw in some Parmesan cheese. And cover it with aluminum foil. Now throw it on a hot grill for 30 minutes or until you can easily stick a fork through them.
If you like my video, make sure to click one of these links for more. And make sure to stay tuned for part 3 of this 3-part series. Thanks!